So I have let's read this question. First, understand this is our prism. Okay, understand the concept of prism first. Then you will read this question. White light is going to enter. Then what we are looking like this, and this is okay like this. Clear? So angle of deviation. I think one result you know or not. I just want to explain. Angle of deviation. Angle of deviation. Formula is n minus 1 into a. Okay. Now, deviation is denoted by the symbol delta. Delta for red, you will write n r minus 1 into a. Here nr means refracted index. Nr means nr, if I am writing nr means refracted index for red light. Okay, for red light. Already I told because this mu, this n, that is refracted index is inversely to the lambda. Now for red light, wavelength is more, then n is less. Then if n is less, if this is less, n is less, then what will happen? Deviation is, okay, you have to tell. But for blue light, wavelength is less. This is what? If I ask like for blue light, this wavelength is less. If wavelength is less, then n is more. If n is more, then n minus 1 is very high. If n minus 1 is high, it means angle of deviation is more. Then this is blue, this is red. Okay, you can check. Deviation, this is deviation, blue light. If you take it back, this is deviation for red light, delta R. Okay, in the difference, if you ask what is the difference of this, that is angular magnification. Okay, clear? Angular separation means like del V minus del R. Okay. Now you tell me this is white light. This is white light. We understand this is blue. This is red. Now what actually we are doing? We just rotate this. Okay. This prism base is coming up. This prism base is coming up. Then what is going to happen? Tell me. Obviously, like which is which light is having less deviation, you can check. This is our original path. Okay, this is the deviation for this, and for this you can check. This is the deviation. So in which case deviation, angle of deviation is more? In case of x, in case of y? Tell me. In case of x or in case of y? In case of x, deviation is more. It means x is blue and y is red. Clear? The color of y represent which option? Color used to paint the danger signal. Obviously, right? Okay. That color that is red. Obviously, we have seen that whenever there is a danger signal is written, like something is danger, like in case of railway crossover bridge, have you seen like it is written 5000 volt in red sign? Okay, so it is made up of red color. So option C is correct. Clear? So still you have doubt like in this concept, please ask me in comment section. I will definitely reply. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Keep learning. Thanks a lot.